Is your Android phone opening Google Gemini every time you hold down the power button? If that's getting annoying, don't worry. You can switch it back to the normal power menu in just a few quick steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a little and tap on System. Depending on your phone model, this option might also be called Advanced Settings or something similar. So if you can't find it like me, just go back to the main settings page and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Gestures. From the results, tap on Shortcuts and Gestures. Next, tap on Google Assistant. Here you'll see the option that allows the power button to launch Gemini or Google Assistant. Simply toggle that switch off. And that's it. Now, when you press and hold the power button, it won't open Gemini anymore, and your phone will behave normally again. Thanks for watching. If this quick Android tip helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and hidden phone settings.